Google wants to let you design an entire app just by typing a sentence. No dragging boxes, no Figma tutorials, just a prompt. This is Google Stitch, and today we are finding out if it is actually good or just another AI hype tool. What is it? Stitch is Google's AI-powered user interface design tool, launched at Google I/O 2025 as Google Labs Experiment, using Gemini 2.5 Pro to generate mobile and web app interfaces in seconds. Then export directly to Figma or as clean HTML and CSS. It is not built from scratch either. Google acquired Galileo AI in early 2025, one of the first AI tools for turning prompts into polished UI mockups, and rebranded it as Stitch. How it works: you go to stitch.withgoogle.com, type a prompt like design a cinema booking app with login, listings, and payment, and Stitch generates a full set of screens. As of the March 2026 update, Stitch can generate up to 5 interconnected screens in one go. So a checkout flow comes with the cart, shipping form, payment screen, and confirmation page, all matching in style. Strength: the quality is genuinely impressive. The designs are not placeholder wireframes. They come with proper component hierarchy, sensible spacing, and modern visual patterns. Multi-screen consistency is a standout too. 5 generated screens will share the same colors, component styles, and typography, something that is normally hard to maintain even in manual design. And the Figma handoff is smooth. You can export your entire design into Figma with layouts and components intact, ready for a designer to refine. Best part: it's completely free, with no subscription or credit card required. Weaknesses: but it is not a replacement for real design work. It is narrowly focused on UI/UX. It won't make presentations, social graphics, or marketing materials, and the exported code, while usable, is not quite production ready code you would ship straight to users. The general verdict across reviewers: start in Stitch for a fast first draft, then move to Figma for real refinement. See it as an accelerant, not a human replacement. Verdict: so, can AI replace traditional UI design? Not yet. What Stitch replaces is the blank canvas problem. That first hour of starting at nothing. It won't replace a skilled designer's eye for detail, brand, or user experience. But if you need a fast, free, surprisingly solid starting point, Stitch is one of the best tools out there right now. If you want a full walkthrough of building an app in Stitch, let me know down below in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.